morning, boys and girls. Today is on Tuesday, our first day on online teaching, and you're going to start the work today in WH1s, whereby we are going to learn what is WH1s and when we use them. So who can tell me some of WH1s they know? We have someone's like where, when, what, why, and who. And at time we use how because it is used to ask questions. So when we are talking about WH questions or ones, they are the ones we use to ask questions. Everyone knows what is a question and when we ask the question. So for example, we use where to ask a question about a place. For example, where is your home? That is a question. It's asking a place, specific place when we use where. And when we are using the word when, we are asking about the time. For example, what time do you eat? Or when do you eat? You can tell the person, I eat at around 12 a.m. or in the afternoon or at night. You are explaining about the time. Then we have another one which is what. When you are using the word what, we use what to describe things. For example, what is that? Maybe you are having a phone and I'm not able to know exactly what it is. You can tell me exactly what you are holding because it is a thing. Then we have another one which is why. When we are using why to ask a question is when we need a reason or we need to know why the thing happened. For example, you can ask, why are you crying? You need to know the reason why the person is crying. Maybe the person has been hurt or you're feeling bad. You can ask the one or you can use the word why. Then we have the word who. This is when we describe a person. For example, who picked the books? I need to know, maybe the books were here and I can't find it. I need to know who picked it. And then the last one we are going to look is the one how. How shows the manner at which a thing or something is done or it's going to be done. For example, if I tell you to make maybe a kite and you don't know, you'll ask teacher, how will I make a kite? And then the teacher is going to give you the manner on which you're going to make the kite. Now, when I repeat, when we are using WH1s, we normally ask the questions. When you go to our booklets, the ones your parents, I know everyone has been downloaded, you have it on page 3 to page 6. You're going to see explanation of each one. I've explained there where, when, what, why, how, and who, and I've given the example. So I'm going to request all of you, you go on page 5. There is an exercise I've given you. I've drew for you big balloons and I've told you to make sentences using the ones which in the balloons. So I need you to construct grammatically sentences which are going to make a meaning and short ones. So don't prolong your sentence, don't make a long sentence, just construct short sentences which are grammatically correct. We are going to meet tomorrow for the same lessons and we are going to do review of the same work tomorrow as we continue with the lesson. May you have a good day. Bye bye children.